Greetings! Welcome back to Huiyaolaser official channel. This is Tiffany. So for those of you who frequently follow Huiyaolaser knows that one of our main product of Huiyaolaser is providing automation line for battery module and pack, specifically for prismatic battery, module, pouch battery, and cylindrical battery and blade battery. So we providing the turnkey solution covering the process such as cell to module and module to pack, and even automated the casing of the battery pack. So recently, during our technical discussion with our client, we encountered some common questions that our client will usually ask. So to addressing this question, today, I'm honored to invite our Chief Engineer, Mr. Guo, aka Gary, to join our today's episode to share his insights and opinion. Thank you so much for joining our video.
Thank you for your invitation.
The first question, what type of battery can our production line support?
Our production line is mainly designed for the assembly of prismatic, cylindrical, pouch, and blade battery modules and pack.
Okay, so can it support multiple type of batteries?
For the same type but different models of battery cells, such as prismatic cells with 230 Ah and 280 Ah, our production line can be compatible. However, for different types of battery cells, due to differences in cell and module structure, the process in the grouping stage will differ, and the module assembly stage cannot be compatible. For post-grouping stages, compatible equipment needs to be designed in advance.